What's going on, y'all? It's Bre'Aunna and I'm back again with another natural hair YouTube video. First and foremost, I just want to put it out there that I do have a before videos for how I put in my little juicy mini twists using Blue Magic hair grease slash conditioner. So y'all should definitely click the link down below in the description box and go check that one out first, and then come back her and watch me take them out and see how bomb they're gonna look. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the only product that I am going to be using is some of my hair growth oil that I made. I'm gonna rub it on my hands, and I actually already did this last night just because I had realized that I had not put in any oil in my hair in like 2 weeks since like when I first put these in. So I was like, that's bad, like that's terrible, y'all. Like literally none whatsoever, not in my scalp, not on my ends. And I was like, I gotta do better, y'all. I gotta do better. But there's just like so much going on in my life right now. Oh man, busy. But anyways, we're not here for that. Y'all are here to watch me do the takedown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up and we're gonna start taking them down. I have a bottom section and I have a top section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the top and unravel it like that, and all of my hair is even, so it just comes apart automatically. And wow, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at my ends. First of all, I just wanted to show y'all my ends, and I actually trimmed my ends when I installed these mini twists, so my ends should be popping. Like they should just automatically be popping. We shouldn't have any trouble. Look at how that just goes up there like that, y'all. Oh, it's so bomb. So bomb, y'all. Oof. Talk about the length. Let's talk about this length. Let me grab this other piece, because, child, the amount of length that I am seeing on my hair is just, I won't even say surprising, because I know I've been taking care of my hair, so it's not really surprising, but it's just like, this is what I've been looking for. Like, yes. My hair growth oil that I use is the freaking bomb, y'all. Like, look at that bounce. Look at the way it just bounced back up like that. The mixture of the hair growth oil and the Blue Magic hair grease mixture is really just giving my hair as much life as y'all can see, as much life as it needs. Like, again with the length, we're in love, okay? And as y'all can see, the shrinkage is very much real. My hair always has like major shrinkage, but I'm used to it now. Like, I don't even care anymore because I know that I got inches. Your girl got inches. Okay. So the bottom half is all finished, and as y'all can see, the bounce back is still very much real. Now I really want to get in tune to the curls. I don't know if y'all could see it or tell or none of that, but the moisture lock-in, boy, don't even want to talk about the moisture lock-in because it is too real right now. Like, it is too real. And the bounce back, like, when I tell y'all the bounce back is flourishing, it's flourishing, okay? Let me stop messing around too much. I need to finish, and we're gonna get into the top half and get her done. out, and the top is all done. Let me just get a little close up, a little zoom in. Okay. And this is what Blue Magic hair conditioner slash grease and my DIY hair growth oil did for my hair. Very, very much moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there because you would think that I would probably go in and separate them now, but a little secret for your little y'all naturals out there. I don't separate, okay? I separate my 2-strand twist into the 2 that I originally twisted them into that one, and boom, because my hair is thick enough to where my hair, I feel like, looks full. And if I wanted to pick at my roots just to get like more volume, I could definitely do that. But over the course of usually about a week, I'll leave my hair out like this for about a week, then I'll probably wash it or whatever. But my hair, it pretty much gets bigger as the week goes on. So for my night routine, basically all I do is I put on my bonnet, I go to bed, boom, take off the bonnet, boom, hair's already done. And that's pretty much how it goes. It's not really too much to it. But yeah, I really just don't like to fluff or pull apart my strands and keep on trying to make parts or a part where I think it's gonna come apart from the strand or whatever, because that just messes up my hair and it messes up the style. Because as y'all can see, the curls are already popping, they're already beautiful, and my hair already looks full, and I'm okay with not having volume day one. So no complaints, baby, no complaints, okay? Like, let me stop. So that is how my twist out came from using Blue Magic hair grease slash conditioner. Thank you guys so much for watching this hair video, and make sure to go watch my previous for when I installed these mini twists using Blue Magic conditioner, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in my next natural hair YouTube video. Mwah. Bye y'all.